On Payment Info, you can add a new payment. Add the payment date and the value to be paid. The date when the payment was done and the value paid by the customer. Save in sync, and now you can refresh the page until you see the QuickBooks logo. Click on it and it will take you to the invoice page on QuickBooks. Click here on the invoice and it will take you to the orders invoice with the amount received from the payment. Down here, you can see when the payment was done and the amount paid. If you click here on Receive Payment, you can receive the amount left from QuickBooks. Check if the value is correct and save. On SlabWare, click on Pull Payments from QuickBooks, and now you have the amount received on QuickBooks synced with SlabWare. If you go to QuickBooks, the invoice for this order is going to be set as paid. The total amount will also be paid.